Azure Synapse PowerShell is a powerful tool that enables you to automate and manage your Azure Synapse Analytics resources. To get started with Azure Synapse PowerShell, you need to install the Azure Synapse Analytics module for PowerShell. You can do this by running the install module command and specifying the name of the module. Once the module is installed, you can start by connecting to your Azure Synapse workspace using the Connect as Account command. This will prompt you to enter your Azure credentials and authenticate with Azure. After you have connected to your Azure account, you can use the Get as Synapse Workspace command to retrieve a list of all the Synapse workspaces in your subscription. You can also use the Get as Synapse Workspace command to retrieve a specific workspace by specifying its name or resource ID. To create a new Synapse workspace, you can use the New as Synapse Workspace command and specify the required parameters such as the workspace name, resource group, and location. You can also use the Set as Synapse Workspace command to update an existing workspace. Azure Synapse PowerShell also provides commands to manage Synapse resources such as databases, pools, and pipelines. For example, you can use the Get as Synapse Database command to retrieve a list of all the databases in a workspace, or use the New as Synapse Database command to create a new database. To automate tasks in Azure Synapse, you can use PowerShell scripts to create and manage resources, as well as to execute pipelines and other tasks. You can also use Azure Synapse PowerShell to integrate with other Azure services such as Azure Data Factory and Azure Storage. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using the latest version of the module, testing scripts in a non-production environment before running them in production, and using secure authentication methods such as Azure Active Directory. By following these tips and using Azure Synapse PowerShell, you can automate and manage your Azure Synapse resources more efficiently and effectively. You can also use Azure Synapse PowerShell to integrate with other Azure services and automate tasks across your Azure environment.